today is my 20th birthday and I'm doing this look today, and I'm also doing my face makeup on camera like I don't usually do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm using the Subculture palette today, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright, so this eye is already most of the way done, and this eye is already primed. I just used some concealer and then I set it with some just like a cream colored eyeshadow. And today I'm using the Subculture palette, and the first shade I'm going to go into is this shade right here called New Wave. And I'm taking that on this big fluffy brush here. And this is just going to go all in my crease. All of these colors in this palette are very pigmented, and I might have got too much. Just bring that all the way in and just everywhere on my crease. Next, I'm going to go into this brown shade right here called Fudge. Taking that on this fluffy brush here, putting that in my crease and on my outer corner. This shade in this palette for me is a little bit harder to blend, but it's not like too bad to where I can't work with it. I'm also trying to like fling it out just a little. I'm going to go back into the brush we took New Wave on and work on blending those. Okay, add just a tiny bit more of this to just my outer corner. And then I'm going to cut my crease using this e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in a pretty light shade. It's called Light Peach, but I want it to be really light because the green we use on the lid is pretty light and it helps it to show up more. Here's my flat brush that I'm going to be using. Just going in and cutting the crease. I am doing it a little bit above my natural crease also. And then using my finger to kind of blend this part out. And then going back into New Wave. And then just tapping or brushing a little bit of that over the edge. Now I'm going to take Electric, this shiny or shimmery green right here, and taking that on my finger first and putting that right over that concealer. I did not set it so that it would stick better. And then I'm going to take some of that green on this little brush here just to get it on the edges of that cut crease. And then taking this brush again and blending a little bit. And then I'm going to use this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in the shade Topaz Twinkle. I'm going to take this glitter part right here. It comes with like a pretty big brush, so I'm going to just take this little angled brush here and get some on the tip of that and go right over where the cut crease is. Now I'm going to go into the Modern Renaissance palette just because it has a darker brown in it, and I'm using that darker brown called Cypress Umber to kind of draw a wing like I did on this side, because I don't really want to use eyeliner, and I think brown looks good instead of doing like a harsh black. It to my lash line. So guys, and this is the final look. I hope you enjoy watching, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.